What to do today? I know, I'll call my friend Nina. Nina. Hi Nina. Hi Stacy. I brought pie. Oh, thank you. Come in. Well, my pie was better. No, my pie was better. No, mine. Mine. My pie. No, my pie. No, my pie. My dress. My blouse. I'm gonna clean it better. No, I'm gonna clean it better. The machines are broken. What are we going to do now? Do you want to take a dress from my wardrobe? Okay. Choose anyone you like.
guys! Have you seen Luciana's room? She's got a lot of earrings, a few bracelets, and a pretty collection of rings. She also likes to decorate her hair with ribbons and headbands. Look at these shiny pink pants and pink patent shoes. Shh! Quiet! Luciana is still sleeping. Oh my gosh! Did you see this stunning green dress and those pink shoes? How splendid! Looks like she's prepared another outfit for the day with a mermaid dress. Wow! Look at all these books! Luciana must be a good reader. Oh, quiet guys! She's waking up! Good morning! I'm so excited for today! But first thing, I must get dressed. Oh, I'll wear my mermaid dress. Ready? Do you like my outfit? Oopsie! I almost forgot my shoes. Next, I need to make up my bed. All my pillows and of course my cutesy batootsie bunny. Okay, time to fix my hair. First, spray with a little water. Then brush until it's done. I told you I was excited this morning. Yep, because I'm going to spend it with my bunny Karen. I first need to check my garden, water the plants, and get some fresh veggies for my bunny. I am ready. Hey Carrot, where are you? I'm coming to give you your favorite snacks. Hey cutesy batootsie bunny, are you ready for a play? Can you smell your breakfast? Oh, of course you love carrots. That's why I named you Carrot.
No more, Bunny.
How about some grooming? Let me brush your hair.
Bye, Bunny.
Do you guys have a favorite pet? Tell us all about it in the comments down below. Time to change outfits. And shoes, of course. I think this pink hat will go well with my outfit. Let's pick a bracelet now, and a ring to go with. Or maybe that one's better. What do you guys think? Which one do you like better? I like this one. This is Logan. He's my best friend.
Hi, Lucy.
Hi, Logan. Come here, let me give you a big hug. Luciana definitely had a fun day, getting ready in the morning, spending time with her favorite pet, and meeting her best friend. Can you guys tell us about your favorite day, friends, and pets in the comments down below? Thank you.